how to find number of white spaces in given str data. Let us consider the following code. Take one string data s1 is equal to p space or o space g. Programming. Here there are three white spaces are available. Space, second space, third space. To find the number of spaces in the given string, we use a predefined function called count function, which is present in the str data. Number of spaces is equal to s dot count of what? You need to mention the space inside of that. Count is a function in strobj. Print of number of spaces is equal to nos. Let us run this code. You'll get the number of spaces. Number of spaces is equal to 3. If I don't give any spaces over here, you'll get number of spaces is equal to 0. 0. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.